Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Team Transport Mix H. I want to give a huge shout out to Fred from One Stop Diecast for sending this over super quick. I put the link in the description if you want to buy this case. He has great prices and great customer service. So let's open this case up and see what's inside. You can see in the background is Mix G from 2020. So the first car and truck is a 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in the retro rig. So start off with the car. You can see it's a blue, then a white stripe on the hood. The hood doesn't open though. Then you can see it says Race Team Ford and some tampos on the back. And of course 6 backlights. So now for the truck, you can see it's the same blue color, then some white stripes, Ford Race Team, some more tampos, and it says the going thing on the back, and Ford logo, another white stripe.
This car's been made so many times and was also in the Golf set in 2019. We have seen this truck as a Snake and Mongoose version and the Black Hole version.
So the next car and truck is a 2016 Ford GT Race and the Ford C800. Let's take a look at the Ford GT. This is really nice, with the white, red, and green, and the black tires and rims. Ford 67. And the detailing on this car is so nice. Really like the wing on the back too. The backlights and 2 exhausts. There's an EcoBoost and Ford. And I really like the colors that they did on this car. So take a look at the truck. It says Castrol, EcoBoost, Ford, Ford Performance. And you can see you can hold cars up here. And they both basically match. You can see the whole theme of all these cars is to match. So they did a really good job matching all these.
The Ford GT is a casting that I really like. The last time we saw it was in the 2018 Circuit Legends set. We have only seen this truck once in Mix F with the Ford Galaxy.
So the next car and truck is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL and the Eurohauler. So let's take a look at the Mercedes. So you can see it says IWC right here, 68. And the gray and black look to it. and 68 on the hood, and the whole hood is black. And here's the RLC version. Sadly, the doors don't open on this, but it would be cool if they did. So let's take a look at the truck. This is really heavy. And you can see it says hashtag IWC Racing 68. Some black stripes. And the black rims. Mercedes, AMG, and Hot Wheels. That's a cool detail they added down here. And this truck is really big. It almost looks like you could fit 2 cars inside of here. But you can see that there's a little block close to the front. So probably 1 car is enough.
This car is modeled after the real-life IWC 300 SL. In case you're wondering, IWC is a famous watch brand.
But overall, this looks really nice. So the last car and truck is the Volkswagen Classic Bug and the Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. So let's take a look at the Bug. So you can see it has the Moon Eyes design, the black stripes, the Moon Eyes logo, and a lot of people are going to want this. Not only is it a Bug, but it has a Moon Eyes design on it. And you can see the backlights, exhaust. It would be cool if they added a little bit more detailing, maybe some black on the top. But they didn't have that much room because this is a really tiny car. So for the truck, you can see it says Go with Moon. And the black stripes on both sides. Volkswagen logo, the headlights. Then it lists some words right here. And the backlights. This is really cool too because you can see it matches so much with the Moon Eyes design. You can see the stripes are in the front and the stripes are in the front. Maybe they put Go with Moon on the top. They could fit it. That would be pretty cool.
This has only been made before once, and it was in the first Cruise Boulevard mix.
My favorite car is a Ford GT because I'm a supercar fan, and this just looks super nice with all the detailing and colors on this car. Probably my favorite Ford GT that they've made. But my favorite truck would probably be the Euro because this is such a big truck. And you can do so much designing on this car as a custom. And you can see all the detailing of the Mercedes, AMG, and Hot Wheels. Just looks really nice. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car and truck is out of this 2020 Team Transport Mix H.